As you can see, I've just finished another reattach with my little homemade gizmo here. Usually that station right there is hooked up to this input area, and that heat gun is used to heat the chip. During a reheat, I take that station, put it in here, wait till the board heats up to 150 degrees. Then I take the heat gun and start applying heat on the top of the whole board just to make sure it's evenly heated on top as well. And for that I use this kitchen President's Choice thermometer, which is actually pretty accurate. And then once the board is heated up to about 180, use the heat gun and hit it right on the chip. So the end of it there is covering the entire chip. Then once it gets up to about 190, 200 degrees, the chip sinks right down. As you can see, it touches the board just perfectly there. So all the solder bellows are melted. Looks nice. I'm pretty skeptical if this system will work or not because there's Arctic Silver 5 all over the board. But anyways, that's my station. And later on, next couple videos, I'll be able to show you reattach, take off, etc.